Hello everyone, my name is Amirul Syahmi Solihin bin Zaidin. My registration number is 13DDT19F1246. Today I'm going to talk about system development life cycle. The first stage is planning. In the planning phase, project leader evaluate the term of the project. This includes calculating labor and material costs, creating a timetable with target goals, and creating the project's teams and leadership structure. Then, planning should clearly define the scope and purpose of the application. It also set boundaries to help keep the project from expanding or shifting from the original purpose. The next stage is analysis. So after you planning what to do in planning, you need to do analysis, which is requirement modeling, where you investigate the business process or document. This process want to know what the new system must do satisfy user. To do this, you must technique such as interview, survey, document review, observation, and sampling. For the next stage is design. Then, after you finish analysis, you need to do a design, a physical model for documented requirement for the system. In this stage, you need design interface and identify necessary output, input, and processes. This process will guarantee that system will be reliable, accurate, maintainable, and secure. For the fourth stage is development. This is actual writing of the program. Use an access control or source code management application in this phase. This system help developer track change to the code. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sakthivell A. Palani. Okay, my registration number is F1019. So today I will talk about system development life cycle, which is stage 5, integration and testing. So integration and testing means, so after the code is generated, the next stage is testing stage, which is testing the software program. When the stage 4 is development. So development stage will generate the code. So after that is a testing stage, which is testing the software program lah. From testing stage, we will know bugs that were committed during the previous phase. So this testing stage will find the bugs and make the code correctly. So there are many tools and methods available in this stage. So the next stage implementation. So in this stage is to deliver a complete and functioning information system. So after the code is already tested, we need to deliver a complete set and functioning information system. So in the end of this stage, the system is ready for use. So after we test, we implementation, so the software already is ready for use lah. So for the last one is maintenance. At this point, the development cycle is almost finished. The application is already done and being used in the field. The operation and maintenance phase is still important because when the app or the system is already done, we need to do maintenance in the app, because sometimes when the product done might have bugs or or something wrong with the software development. So we need to do maintenance lah. In this phase, user will discover bugs that were not found during testing. So after the product is ready to use, user will know the bugs lah, and will do reports to the admin or so on. So this error will be resolved if we do maintenance. So that's all for system development life cycle explanation. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Amirul bin Zaidin. My registration number is 13DDT19F1246. Today I'm gonna talk about joint application development. It is JAD. What is JAD? JAD is a methodology that involves the client or end user in the design and development of an application. It is originally used for designing a computer-based system and also can be applied to any development process. Joint application development involves continuous interaction with the user and different designer of the system in development. JAD Center around a workshop session that is structured and focused. Workshops are created in which the developer and end user meet to discuss requirement, assess, design solution. Through the workshop, a greater understanding of what system should do will be. Participant in JAD. Participant of this session will typically include a facilitator, end user, developer, observer, mediator, and expert. Phase of JAD. Benefit of JAD is fast development, cost reduction, improve quality, and minimize error. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Okay, today I will talk about participate in joint application development. So, participant of this session will typically include a facilitators, end user, developers, observers, mediators, and experts. So I'll put a diagram to explain who is the participant in joint application development. So the first one is facilitators. Then the second one is analysis, executive sponsor, business analysis, VS analysis, user representative, data architect, system architect, project administrator, user manager, and manager. So this is the like example in the meeting if we use joint application development. Okay. Now I will describe about phase of JDT. There are two phases. The first one is JAD plan, and the second one is JAD design. So there are four phases in JAD plan. The first one is purpose, the second one is objective, the third one is list, and the fourth one is high level data process module. In JAD design, there are 3 points, the 3 phases, which is high level data process module, detailed data process module, and the last one is interface. So these are the phases in joint application development. After we done explaining about phase of the JAD, now I will explain about now I will give benefits of joint application development. There are 4 benefits in JAD. The first one is fast development. The second one is cost reduction. The third one is improve quality. The fourth one is minimize errors. So that's all about I explaining about JAD, which is joint application development. So thank you.